Now I'm going to present about the introductions of this business project. The facility layout is an arrangement of different aspects of manufacturing in an appropriate manner as to achieve the desired production result. The objective of layout is to ensure a smooth flow of work, material and information to a system. The basic meaning of the facility is the space in which a business activity takes place. The layout and design of that space impact greatly how the work is done through the flow of work, material and information through a system. Now I'm going to present about the justification. The purpose of this business project is to solve the problem of facility layout that faced by Jamirah. A facility layout is very important as it will influence the business overall operations. A good facility layout provides all these advantages. The first one is improve the operational efficiency. Operating efficiency can reduce the movement of goods, which can cause to improve the productivity with more units being produced per man hours. The next one is high space utilization. Eliminating the unused space can significantly save operating costs and add to profitability. The last one is avoidance of bottleneck. The result of bottlenecks are delay in production schedule, congestions, and wastage of floor area. All this may be overcome with an efficiency facility layout. Overall, an effective facility layout ensures that there is a smooth and steady flow of productions on material, equipment, and manpower at minimum cost. Therefore, this business project is needed to carry out. The new layout and recommendations developed through the project can be used by the organizations to improve its facility layout.
Company background and organizational chart. Jamirah Food Industry SDN-BHD was established on 29 January 2004 by Puan Haja Jamirah binti Haji Othman. It is owner of Jfisb. In this company, they have their own mission and vision. The mission is maximize the profits on the sale. The vision is to make Jfisb to known to all domestic and international levels. Jfisb also have their main product. It is tapioca chips, banana chips, and sweet potato chips. In organizational chart, if we look at the board of director, we have a 6th position. It is director, managing director, financial and administration, production, sales, and distribution. Now it is the analysis of finding for Jamirah Food Industry SDN-BHD. We have 2 analyses. Number 1 is a SWOT analysis. Number 2 is a 5C analysis. S for strengths, W for weakness, O for opportunities, T for threats. SWOT strengths for Jamirah Food Industry SDN-BHD is a high quality of raw materials, good relationship with their supplier. They have their own transportation. Their weakness do not have a supplier performance measurement system, facility layout problem, and lack of advanced technology. Opportunities, they have their own social media like Facebook. Their threat is existing competitors, pandemic of COVID-19, and low purchase power of citizens.
To the 5C analysis, the main point of 5C analysis are the competitors, company, customers, climates, and collaborators. First is competitor. The competition between Jamirah Food Industries and Berhad to Kilang, Crepe, Mesrina because they also doing the same type of business around the same location. Company is company. The first subpoint of the company is strength. Jamirah Food Industries and Berhad owning its own farm for raw material. Second is weakness. Jamirah Food Industries and Berhad have no specific system for suppliers' performance measurement. Third is goals. Jamirah Food Industries and Berhad become one of the favorite snacks for Malaysian. Fourth is product, tapioca chips, banana chips, and sweet potato chips. Fifth is culture, various flavor of potato according to the seasons. Third main point is customer. The subpoint of customer is target segment. Jamirah Food Industries and Berhad focus in local and foreign countries. Second is customer service. Jamirah Food Industries and Berhad build relationship with customer through social media and walk-in service. Third is customer loyalty program. Jamirah Food Industries and Berhad offer discount to customers. Commercialization measurement. Jamirah Food Industry Sdn Bhd collected the data from social media or face-to-face. Is climate. The subpoint of climate is regulation, the business affected by the movement of restriction. Second is social, great changes in lifestyle and trends. Third is economic factor. Jamirah Food Industry Sdn Bhd increase in unemployment rate when the pandemic of COVID-19. Fourth is technology factor. Advantage of Jamirah Food Industry Sdn Bhd if adapt technology properly. Fifth main point is collaborator. The subpoint of collaborator is supplier, home businessmen. Second is distributor, JFI Marketing Sdn Bhd in Malaysia and Gemba Marketing Sdn Bhd in foreign countries.
Business problem or issue. Jfisb has a problem in utilizing its manufacturing space and product display space. Based on the figure show the current layout of Jfisb. The current layout of Jfisb consider as: first, illogical arrangements of facility layout. There is a long distance between one process and another process. This will lead to the high motions of workers. They cannot focus on their tasks as they spend much of the time transforming the product. It will reduce their productivity and increase the times of production. Second, poor utilizations of space. There is not enough space for certain area and it is crowded. This will easily cause congestions for movements of material and it might lead to accident happening. Third, difficult to supervise and control. It is hard for manager to monitoring each production process and staff behavior. It might reduce the free error in the production process because the manager cannot monitor the entire production process at the same time. Also, it will lead to the increase in management costs and operation costs. Production area. Based on the observation, there is a huge space in the manufacturing area and the arrangements of physical facility are not systematically and properly organized. Retail area. The arrangements of the rack not organized at all. The main product of Jfisb is a potato chip. At the same time, they also put the bundle closing at the display area which are look improper and adds to the non-attractive of Jfisb. Storage area. The space in the storage area has not fully utilized and this will lead to the increases the movement and it can be detrimental as some item can be harder to find if the product is not properly organized. This can slow down the picking and delivery of item to customer. Methodology. First, research design by qualitative design and quantitative design. Data collection from interview owner of Jfisb, questionnaire of 20 respondents, and observation. Sampling design of employee of Jamirah Food Industries neighborhood, data analysis percentage of the questionnaire. This is a framework of this project. First, identify the problem faced by Jfisb industry by interview. Second, preparing a survey for their staff. Third, create a draft of the current layout of manufacturer and display area. Fourth, analysis the data collected from the survey. Fifth, create a draft of the new layout. Sixth, design the new layout by 2D AutoCAD.
Now I am going to present you the scope of business project. The scope of business project include what, who, when, why, how and where. It's indicated the project area will be explored in the study. Starting with what? To solve the problem of facility design and layout that faced by Jamirah Food Industries Sdn Bhd. Second is who. The employee of Jamirah Food Industries Sdn Bhd was selected to collect their perspective towards the current layout of Jamirah Food Industries Sdn Bhd. Third is when. The duration of this business project is start from July 2020 until November 2020. Fourth is why. Selected topic will be discussed in order to study the effectiveness of production process if a good design of facility layout used. Fifth is how. Design a new layout for Jamirah Food Industries Sdn Bhd to overcome their problems. Last one is where. Jamirah Food Industries Sdn Bhd located at Lot 815, Jalan Mempelam, Kampung Bukit Bangkok, Sungai Pilih, 43950, Sepang, Selangor, Malaysia, and it takes 30 minutes from Nilai Polytechnic.
Now I'm going to present about the limitations of this business project. The first one is time constraint because of the attending online class and other subject assignment. The next one is financial constraint in design layout because of the fact that students have no income and limited financial resource. The last one is limited access to the data due to the worker of Jamirah were busy and also due to the COVID-19. Now I'm going to present about the solution. The new facility layout has two floors. The ground floor is for productions and retail, while the first floor is for office and visitor. The new facility layout is more systematic, focused and neat compared to the current layout of Jamirah, which only has ground floor and it is crowded and spiral. Now I'm going to present about the new facility layout and its positive effect. This is the ground floor of new facility layout for Jamirah. The new facility layout can help company to speed up the production process and reduce the production time because the production line is simplified compared to the current layout of Jamirah. The process of inbound to outbound from spiral has changed to straight line, which is more systematically organized and it can improve the space utilization. A well-organized layout can make company gain a sense of control in its management and operation that allow for increased productivity and cost reduction. Other than that, a good environment of workplace can make the employee more happy, healthy and productive at work. This will help the company to build a long-lasting business success. The new facility layout is more systematic, neat and attractive, which can increase the customer satisfaction and it will increase the sales and profit. This is the first floor of new facility layout for Jamirah. The office has been moved from ground floor to first floor in order to reduce the noise from production area and make the customer or staff more comfortable when having meeting. The visitor side of new facility layout is easily for manager to monitor their staff. Also, it is easy and safe for visit. The visitor can see clearly the production process from first floor, and it is safer than seeing the production closely. A good facility layout makes the company environment become more comfortable, which will improve company image.
Conclusion. Obviously, a successful business not only focus on sales but also focus on facility layout. A good facility layout should be used by every company. All companies should be aware of the space utilization, arrangements of physical facility, flow of production, as all of this will influence business overall operation. Besides, the Jamirah Food Industries Niam Berhad Jfisb has faced the problems of facility layout. There is a poor flow of production, the manufacturing area and retail area are not systematically and properly organized, and the space in the company is not fully utilized. Above all, to solve the problem faced by Jfisb, the new layout and recommendation developed in this project should be used by the company. Also, Jfisb should improve its facility layout from time to time to ensure the smoothness of operation and production. However, further study is needed by the company to identify the problem and solution. Recommendation for further researcher. First, research question should be more detailed and appropriate in the circumstance at the time. Second, research method used are not only focused on questionnaire but should more diversity methodology such as interview and outlook. Third, research need replenish the number of respondents as a large sampling to produce more accurate result.